Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be doing puzzles. So I joined the hashtag practicing puzzling with friends, which is hosted by Janita Black Folks Well Wishes Arts and Craft. And thank you, Janita, for letting me join the tag using the app. But soon I'm buy a puzzle set. I just don't have any room for it, so I figured the app would be helpful for now. But yeah. So this is an open collab. Anyone can join. You can buy a puzzle, whatever puzzle you have, and just have fun with it. Show your end results. Show your beginning results. Show us how you put your puzzles together. That's all, just have fun. So, yeah, so I'm going to be doing the app for now until I could get me a puzzle set. And I'm going to just start off with small numbers of puzzles. So, because I haven't done a puzzle in a long time. So, you might see me do like 12. I might do like more. But what I plan on doing next month is I'm gonna do a Christmas puzzle, but I'm gonna give it more, probably do like, I don't know if this goes up to 1,000. I think only certain puzzles. I think it's like probably 500 or 600 puzzle pieces, so that should be enough. So I'm gonna do that for the month of December. But this puzzle I'm doing now is just I think I did 3. It was like 3 easy puzzles. One have 12. I think 12 or more than 12. I have to check. I think it was more than 12 pieces. But I think the other 2 was like 37 pieces. Yeah, so I'm just practicing. And yeah, so feel free to join along. And the other participants for this hashtag is Zank Sweet Inspiration, Crafting with Pat, Just Donna Marie, and Kitty's Coloring and Hobby. So you can go to them, to their page, and you can check out their puzzles. And yeah, so just click on the hashtag practicing puzzling with friends and check out the other puzzles if you like puzzles. And make sure you check out Janita's Black Folks Well Wishes Arts and Crafts, and she also has some other channels too. So make sure you check out everybody. I'll put all the links in the description. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all enjoy the puzzles that I have. I think I just did all kittens. So if you like cats, you'll like these puzzles. Alright? So let me know what you think. Have fun watching. Peace, love, and blessings.